Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing the Logitech G 502 gaming mouse. Hero G 502. Supposed to be one of the best mices you can get at the minute. 25600 dpi, 25,600, and load of different buttons and stuff at the side, blah blah blah. I'm sure you know about them. But I got this from Amazon. They're actually going for 30 quid at the minute, and you get it in August for like 100 on. That's a big discount, but this is a terrible video on it. Give me 2 seconds to try and open this. Got a knife again. Right. There we go. Buttons. Not bad packaging. What's this here flopping about? A wee sticker. Oh, terrible video, I'm sorry. We Logitech sticker. And the mouse. Not bad packaging. Pretty solid. Let's see what it feels like. Damn, that actually feels good. I like that. Take a wee bit of getting used to it because I'm used to the newer mouse that I got. The Razer. What is it? No, it's not even Razer. It's Steel Series, sorry. But yeah, feels pretty good. Weight is not bad. Plenty of buttons, loads at the side and stuff. Scroll wheel, damn, that's nice. I like that. Yeah, the scroll wheel feels good. What else have we got? What is this? I don't know. We pop out case thing. It must be the covers, the extra covers for the buttons. You can swap the buttons out. What? I have no idea. Oh, they're weights, are they? Extra weights. So, I thought you could cover the buttons or something. I have no idea. Anyway, that's it. It's RGB LIGHTSYNC, and you can do different colors and stuff. Let's test it out, and I'll post in the comments what I think of the mouse after I use a couple of days. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.